were praying prayers that only mamas knew, while you were holding me. You were fighting battles your babies never knew, and I never knew till now just how strong you were. Drying all my tears while fighting yours. All that darkness you lived through couldn't dim the light inside of you. All the broken pieces, you kept giving them to Jesus, and He gave you strength to raise me up, knowing one day I would see He was holding you while you were holding me. While you were holding me, you were showing what it means to live by faith, and you taught me to believe there is hope even in the deepest pain. I remember every day, all that darkness you lived through couldn't dim the light inside of you. All the broken pieces, you kept giving them to Jesus, and He gave you strength to raise me up, knowing one day I would see He was holding you while you were holding me. Oh, you spent so many hours down upon your knees, shaking on the gates of heaven, calling angels down for me. So selflessly you gave, made me who I am today. And I never knew till now just how strong you were. Never knew till now just how strong you were. All that darkness you left through couldn't dim the light inside of you. All the broken pieces, you kept giving them to Jesus, and He gave you strength to raise me up, knowing one day I would see He was holding while you were holding me.
Thank you for tuning in to Health and Wellness, a Spiritual Journey to Becoming. Until next time, have a blessed day.